Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel, the place where learning English is simple, practical, and a little bit fun every single day. My name is Anna, and I'm very happy to be here with you.
And hello, everyone. I'm David. It's always a pleasure to join you for another English conversation. Anna, how are you today?
I'm doing great, David. I'm feeling positive, energized, and ready to help our listeners improve their English.
That's wonderful to hear. I'm feeling the same way. I have my coffee, my microphone is working, and I'm ready for a great conversation.
That's very important, David. Coffee and a working microphone are the two most important things for a podcast host.
Absolutely. Without coffee, my English becomes very slow.
And without the microphone, nobody can hear your slow English.
Exactly. So today we have a very useful topic. In fact, it's one of the most important topics for English learners.
Yes, today we're talking about something you will use again and again in real life.
The topic is a very common question in English. Tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes, this question appears everywhere.
Everywhere, in job interviews, when you meet new people, at social events, at networking events, even when you meet your neighbor for the first time.
Exactly. Imagine you start a new job and someone says, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself."
Or maybe you go to a job interview and the interviewer says, "So, tell me about yourself."
That moment can feel a little scary.
Very scary sometimes.
Some people suddenly forget their English.
Their brain becomes empty,
Completely empty.
like a blank piece of paper.
So today, we will help you answer this question in a natural, simple, and confident way.
Yes, we will teach you an easy structure that you can follow every time.
And don't worry, we will give many examples.
Many examples, simple sentences, and useful expressions.
So relax, listen carefully, and maybe even repeat after us.
Yes, speaking out loud is one of the best ways to learn.
All right, David, let's begin with the first part of introducing yourself.
The first part is very simple.
Your name.
Exactly. When you introduce yourself, you usually start with your name.
For example, you can say, "My name is Anna."
Or you can say, "I'm David."
Both are very natural.
Yes, my name is sounds slightly more formal.
And "I'm" sounds a little more casual.
For example, "Hi, my name is David. Nice to meet you."
Or, "Hello, I'm Anna."
Simple, clear, and friendly.
Let's repeat that phrase together.
My name is.
My name is.
Very good. And another version is I'm.
I'm. Great job.
All right, Anna, what comes after your name?
Next, you can talk about where you're from.
Yes, people love to ask this question.
For example, "I'm from Canada."
Or, I'm from Brazil.
Or, "I'm from Cambodia."
And if you want to add more detail, you can say, I'm originally from.
For example, "I'm originally from France."
That means you were born there.
Exactly.
Let's make a simple introduction example.
Okay, I'll try. "Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Australia."
Very nice. Hello, I'm David. I'm from the United States.
See? Very easy.
Yes, simple sentences are powerful.
That's something we repeat often.
Yes, let's repeat it again.
Simple English is good English.
Simple English is clear English.
And simple English builds confidence.
Exactly. Now, the next thing people usually talk about is where they live.
Yes, because sometimes people are from one place but live in another place.
For example, I'm from Mexico, but I live in Tokyo.
Or, "I'm from India, but I live in London."
A useful sentence is I live in.
Very simple. I live in Phnom Penh.
I live in New York.
I live in a small town.
I live near the beach.
That sounds nice.
Yes, very relaxing.
I imagine palm trees and sunshine.
And no alarm clock.
That's the dream.
Now, let's put the sentences together.
Example, my name is Anna. I'm from Australia, but I live in London.
Great introduction.
Your turn, David.
Hello, I'm David. I'm from the United States and I live in Chicago.
Very clear and natural.
Now, the next part is very important, especially in professional situations.
Yes, this is when you talk about your job or studies.
For example, I work as a teacher.
I'm a student.
I work in marketing.
I work at a hospital.
Let's give a few more examples.
I'm an English teacher.
I'm a software developer.
I'm studying business.
I'm studying engineering.
Very nice.
And if you want to sound a little more natural in conversation, you can say, I currently work as.
Yes, that sounds very professional.
For example, I currently work as a graphic designer.
Or, I'm currently studying psychology.
Great phrase.
Let's repeat it.
I currently work as.
I currently work as.
Good practice.
Now, after talking about work or studies, a very nice thing to add is your hobbies.
Yes, hobbies make the conversation more personal and interesting.
People love to talk about hobbies.
And people love to hear about hobbies.
For example, in my free time, I like reading.
In my free time, I enjoy playing football.
I like cooking.
I enjoy traveling.
I like watching movies.
I like learning languages.
That's a great hobby.
Yes, especially if you're listening to this podcast.
Exactly.
Now, let's practice the sentence pattern.
In my free time, I like.
Repeat with us.
In my free time, I like.
Very good.
Here's a full example. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Australia. I live in London. I work as a teacher, and in my free time, I like reading and traveling.
That sounds excellent.
Thank you.
Let me try one. Hello, I'm David. I'm from the United States and I live in Chicago. I work in marketing, and in my free time, I enjoy playing basketball and cooking.
Cooking?
Yes.
What's your best dish?
Toast.
Toast?
Yes, very advanced cooking.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yes, it took me years to master toast.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are listening to a professional chef.
Thank you, thank you. Now, another thing you can mention is your family or pets.
Yes, this helps people know you better.
For example, I have 2 brothers.
I have a small family.
I'm married.
I have a dog. Dogs are always a great conversation topic.
Yes, if you say you have a dog, people immediately want to see pictures.
That's true.
Nobody ever says, show me pictures of your tax documents.
No one wants to see that.
But everyone wants to see a cute dog.
Exactly. So you can say, I have a dog named Max.
Or, I have a cat named Luna.
Now the final thing you can add is your goals or dreams.
This makes your introduction more inspiring.
For example, my goal is to improve my English.
That's a great goal.
My dream is to start my own business.
I hope to travel around the world.
I want to become a doctor.
I want to become a successful entrepreneur.
Very motivating.
Now, Anna, maybe we should do a mini role play.
Great idea.
I will meet you for the first time at a networking event.
Perfect.
Okay, here we go. Hi there. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Anna. I'm from Australia, but I live in London now. I work as an English teacher, and in my free time, I love reading and traveling. I also have a little dog named Charlie.
That's a great introduction.
Thank you.
My turn.
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm David. I'm from the United States and I live in Chicago. I work in marketing, and in my free time, I enjoy playing basketball and trying new restaurants.
Trying restaurants is a great hobby.
Especially when you don't know how to cook.
Exactly.
Now, let's review the structure.
Yes, review is very important.
When someone says, tell me about yourself, you can follow this simple order.
First, your name.
Second, where you are from.
Third, where you live.
Fourth, your job or studies.
Fifth, your hobbies.
Sixth, your family or pets.
And finally, your goals or dreams.
You don't need to say everything every time.
Just choose a few things.
Keep it simple
Speak slowly.
and smile,
Smiling helps communication.
even on a podcast.
Yes, I'm smiling right now.
Me too.
Now we want to give you a practice exercise.
Yes, this is very important.
After listening to this episode, pause and practice your own introduction.
Use this simple structure.
My name is.
I'm from,
I live in.
I work as.
In my free time, I like.
Very easy.
Practice every day.
The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
Confidence grows with practice.
English improves with practice.
Fluency comes with practice.
Practice, practice, practice.
Exactly.
Well, Anna, this has been a wonderful conversation.
I agree. I hope our listeners feel more confident answering the question, tell me about yourself.
Remember, your introduction doesn't need to be perfect.
It just needs to be clear and friendly,
English is about communication.
not perfection.
So keep learning
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English every day.
Thank you so much for listening to the Daily English Practice channel,
We truly appreciate your time.
and we are proud of you for practicing English today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing English.